Hey guys, how you doing today? I want to wish everybody a really Merry Christmas, and I hope that everybody has a great Christmas. Um, I wanted to show you a few plants that I've picked up over the last 2 or 3 weeks. This plant here, this poinsettia, it's called Jingle Bells, and you can see the beautiful variegation on it. I didn't know the name of it. I looked it up, and I never knew there were so many different names for poinsettias, but there are. So I thought she was really pretty, and I got her at Lowe's. They had them on sale for like 75% off, so I got her for like $5. She is really, really big. I'll move this plant here for now so you guys can see her a little bit better. Isn't she pretty? And she's nice and full, and just a really, really pretty plant. Usually I get the white. I really like the white poinsettias. I usually get at least one, but they're kind of hard to take care of. I always end up killing them after Christmas, so they're hard for me to take care of. I've never had good luck. My mom has, but not me. And then the next plant that I got, this is one that I got, I think like 2 weeks ago. This is a frosty fern, or it's also known as spike moss or club moss. It's called a Celandinella plant. And she is very pretty. You can see the frosty colors. Isn't she pretty? And she's really soft. Kind of almost like it does feel like a moss. And these, they like to stay really moist, and they like really high humidity. And in the house, bright light. So I've had her in a west window right beside my humidifier. And so far she is really happy. If you get these do not like to dry out at all. So I had one of these many years ago, but I think it was called rainbow moss. And I killed it because I accidentally left it go dry. And it was a crispy critter. Okay, so I got that one. And this one I got at Walmart. I think it was $8.97 was what I got it for at Walmart. And then this one, oops, this is the variegated Maranta. I found her at Lowe's this weekend. I think it was like $4. It was in a really small pot. I just repotted it. But look at the variegation on that. This is a new leaf opening up. She's folded up for the night because this is nighttime. So she's kind of folded up. But look at that. Isn't she pretty? I couldn't pass it up. I have a red one. Or the red one. And that was good enough for me until I found this. So she is super pretty. Really a pretty plant. Like I said, I think this was like $4. It comes in a little 2, I think, inch pot, or 3-inch pot maybe, at Lowe's. So cute. She's got another new leaf opening up right there. Isn't she pretty? I really like that. And then the last plant that I got, this is a pretty little Scindaptus pictus argyris satin pathos. She's pretty. Now I have the exotica, and I had one of these a few years back too, but I managed somehow to kill it. So I've seen it. I haven't seen one for a while, and her I just got week too. I got both of these here plants together. Or no, I didn't. I got this one when I got this plant, I think. So that was like 2 or 3 weeks ago when I got this. But I think she was also like $3 or $4 at Lowe's. But look at the color in that. It's so pretty. I really love how sparkly this plant is, and I hope I don't kill this one again. God, I swear. But those are my plants that I wanted to show you. This here one, I really, really like her. She is so pretty. The spike moss, or club moss, frosty fern. It's kind of weird that they call it actually a frosty fern when it's not a fern, it's a moss. I did a bunch of research on it, and it's really pretty. And if you look, I'm gonna slip her out of her pot. I hope you guys can see what I want to show you. But look at the, can you see like in there how it grows? I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but all up in here how the little tiny leaves are growing up the stem, and it's like a bush underneath. It's got like all these little weird aerial roots coming out. Can you guys see that? But it's like a bush, and I was reading a separate article, and it said that you can actually trim this down and then it will get bushier. I don't think I'll do that, but it actually said the cuttings off of it, you just lay it down in some wet soil or spag moss or whatever, and it will start growing roots, and you can start a whole nother plant from it. But you know, I don't know if I'll do that or not, but I just thought that this is a very, very interesting plant. And for me, I have so many other plants around my humidifier that require moist soil and high humidity and a little bit brighter light. I thought I'd give her a try again and see what happens. But I just love the frosted tips of this plant. They had more there that was just like all green, but I really like the frosty color to this. So that's my frosty fern, my beautiful little Argyria satin pothos or Scandiptus pictus. I love that. And my beautiful Jingle Bells poinsettia. And then my pretty little variegated Maranta. I just love it. I got this plant actually in my bathroom. And like I said, this one is in my living room by my humidifier. And then this one I have sitting in a window in my living room, kind of off away from it. And this one for now is on my coffee table, and then I'll probably have to move her into higher light. I'll have to see how it goes, but absolutely pretty. So I hope you guys all have a really great Christmas. Enjoy your family, and don't eat too much food. I had to laugh at my husband. My husband's been on a diet. He says, "Oh, Christmas is going to ruin my diet." And I said, "Well, not if you don't let it. You got to be careful." So that is my plants that I got. I love my 2 Christmas plants. They're really pretty. Plus I got my amaryllis that I already showed you guys. I think it was last week. But I hope everybody has a great Christmas. And I will see you guys next week. Bye. Peace.